Hello humans, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. So today we are going to be doing a Munchpak unboxing. Unfortunately, I do not have any special guest stars. Hopefully I will be having some in the next videos, but you'll have to deal with just my taste and my discernment of delicious or not so good. So, oh, look at that tan coming in, yeah. It's actually more like the trucker's tan because my left side has been like cooked quite a bit here, so let's take a look. Interesting. So it's going to be kind of shaking all over the place for a hot... Ooh, I got to shave. Shaking a bit while I rip this plastic up. Alright. See what we got here. Alright. Made love from Roxanne. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, alright. Interesting. Alright, first things first, we got sour cream and bacon Ruffles chips. I will be eating these tonight. They are from Canada. Yeah. Nacho pizza, tangy, or Jack and Jill's Piato's nacho pizza chips, tangy tomato and nacho cheese chips from the Philippines. Pretty cool. Oh man, there's so many good things. Maynard's fuzzy peach candy, soft chewy flavored gummies from Canada. What's this? Crushed cream soda mousse, actually from Canada. Man, this is we're going hard on Canada. Here we go. Marengo Fushinagi Choco Bako Ball Choco Banana from Japan. Milkita chocolate shake candy, chewy chocolate candies with a creamy milkshake taste from Indonesia. We got, a lot of stuff. Yuki and loves Sankuti Grains bar yolk milk from Taiwan. Nestle Lion Latte bar, alright. Crunchy white chocolate and wafer bar filled with latte flavored caramel and crunchy cereal from Poland. Kokomo Biscotti Kokomo biscuits, crunchy biscuit filled with sweet chocolate cream from Pakistan. Something real squishy and Bacanarella hazelnut roll, soft sponge cake rolled with delicious hazelnut cream. This thing is not looking so great. Hard pass on that one probably. And then a Kit Kat chunky salted caramel Kit Kat bar from Poland. All right, well done, Roxanne. Well done. So we'll pop some open, taste them, and see how they go here. So we'll do with the Ruffles right away because they look pretty darn good. They smell quite tasty too. Well, that's really disappointing. I guess, I don't know. I'm not really getting any bacon flavor on that. I am getting a whole lot of sour cream, so it just tastes like sour cream chips. If you like Ruffles dipped in sour cream, I guess you would like it, but it just isn't that great to me. I mean, I'm getting kind of the saltiness of the bacon, but not really a strong bacon flavor. And I'm also not getting a yummy creamy flavor. Like, I love sour cream and onion chips. And this doesn't have onion, but I didn't think there'd be that much of a difference. Not a fan of these, though, I'm going to say. So let's try a different chip. I wasn't going to do 2 chips, but since that was such a bummer, let's take a look at this one. Ooh. I wonder if this is spicy. That worries me. It's awfully red. Alright. That's pretty good, actually. Not bad. It's kind of peatsy. Well, that one kind of reminds me of the nacho cheese combos, pretty much. Nothing too amazing about that either from Jack and Jill's Piato's Nacho Pizza Chips. I am getting a strong nacho-y flavor, but it kind of covers up everything else from the pizza, so not really happy with that one either. So far, not so good. Let's try this crushed cream soda. Again, this is hint of berry flavor. Oh, that's really pink. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah, you kind of can. There's no berry flavor. What's going on, guys? There's no berry flavor at all. That's just cream soda. It tastes good. I like cream soda. But I'm not getting anything out of that. So let's see what we can do here. How about we go with the ones from Pakistan. Crunchy biscuit filled with sweet chocolate cream. Ooh. All right. Got little pictures on the front of them. Little face. That one's okay. The biscuit, I'm not really enjoying this box. The chocolate's pretty good, but it's not as rich as the chocolate from the little biscuits from Japan. The ones like the panda ones, those are a lot better than that. That's just not that great. So, all right. So we'll do two more here, and I think we're gonna go with let's break these chocolate banana balls out here. This is from Japan, so they will not let me down. They never have, they never will. Let's see. Whoa, all right. They're big. Huh. All right. Ooh, all right. That was pretty good. That's really, really banana-y. I'm not a mega fan of banana flavored things, so I'm not loving it. But if you like bananas, you'll love this. It's super banana flavory. The chocolate's kind of in the background a little bit, so it's banana forward, if you will. So that one's pretty good. That one's probably the best one I've had so far. Let's give Canada one more try with these peachy candies here, which didn't want to do a gummy, but. Woo! All right. Oh man. Oh man! Wow. Watch me chew since I don't have someone else here to deflect. Oh man. Wow. That's delicious. Oh my gosh. It's like almost like a peach Sour Patch Kid, but super, super peach forward. Oh, it's just straight sugar, real sugar. It's not any like corn syrup or anything like that. Nothing against corn syrup, but I found that actual sugar-based products, not corn syrup-based, tend to have more sweeter punch to them. This is really peachy and really, really delicious. I would highly recommend buying Maynard's Fuzzy Peach Candy. By far #1 so far. The last thing, I think those are hard candies, so I don't want to be... Oh, you know what? They're not too hard. Let's give it a shot. The last one we're going to try is the Milkita Chocolate Shake Candy. Alright. Chewy chocolate candy with a creamy milkshake taste. Not so great after the peach. Not so great in general. Well, I'm not really feeling this. I'm gonna go off camera so you don't have to see. All right. So, yeah, not really feeling that whatsoever. Highly recommend against it. Of all the Munchpak items, I would say the best two items in this were the Maynard's Fuzzy Peach Candy and the Moringa Fushiniga Choco Ball Choco Banana. They were delicious. Again, I'm not really a super fan of bananas, so if you love bananas, you will love them. They kind of have that like banana runts flavor on the outside, but it's like a soft banana-y, and then you get the chocolate in the middle. The peach was just like super sour on the outside, like a peachy, sugary sourness, and then peach overload in the middle. The rest of these all kind of sucked. I mean, cream soda doesn't suck. It's cream soda. I mean, it tastes like cream soda. What are you gonna do? You like that. The rest of it, hard pass. Never want to have it again. Moquita, you let me down. I can't believe I had to spit that out. Well, I mean, none of them were bad except for maybe the Milkita. The rest of them just weren't really impressive. So, other than that, we're gonna have a lot more Munchpak videos coming next month. We have a few. We have waiting for our special guest stars to join in. Ooh, still, tummy's kind of rumbling a little bit with all that candy. But I'd like to thank you guys all for liking, commenting, subscribing, and watching me unbox all this stuff. I know I'm not as entertaining when I'm by myself under these unboxings, but if you guys ever want to check out these candies, obviously you can order from Munchpak. I'll throw the link in the description, and then you can order if you want to or if you don't want to, and you can like customize, do all kinds of crazy stuff like that. Other than that, I'd like to thank you guys all for checking it out once again, and I will see you all next time, meow.